Okay, in the demonstration, let's try to create a new logic app and add the content moderator connector in there. Okay, so in the demonstration we are going to do something like this. When a new tweet is posted from your tweet account or from anywhere else in the world, you are going to check for any profanity text or abusive words are available. You want to check whether there are any abusive words available in that tweet post. Parallel to that, you are going to check for any ratio and adult content for images. These are actually two parallel functions, two parallel paths that Logic App is going to run. Then if you don't find any abusive words, that tweet is going to identify as a eligible tweet, as a good tweet. If you find any profanity terms, you are going to send the email. You are going to actually in the Logic App we are going to integrate the Gmail connector in this send the email step, and in the other part, in the other route, it's going to check for the ratio adult content in the images in the tweet post. If there are no any adult content, that's going to be an eligible tweet, and if there are any images, you are going to send the email using the Gmail account. So that's what the demonstration is trying to do. Okay, now let's start with the demo. So let's go to the Azure portal. Let's try to create a new Logic app. Let's go into this in the home page. You can see this plus icon that says create a resource. Let's click on that and let's search for Logic apps. Okay, then click on the create button. You can give a name to the Logic app. So for this one, let's say and you have to select a subscription. So I want to create a new resource group for this Logic app. Resource group is going to do actually a logical arranging of Azure services. So it's actually like a folder in your file structure. When you are going to create new Azure services, you can create them, all of them, inside a one resource group. Then if you don't want those services, you can delete the resource group, then all of the services will get deleted. This is actually for the better management of Azure services. It's same as a folder in the file explorer. So let's create a new resource group. So I will use the same name, and for the location I am going to host this in the West US region. I will tell you the reason why later. And click on the create button. The Logic app is getting created. You can see that from the notification panel, the deployment is still in progress. Okay, now let's pin this to dashboard and go to resource. So when you first open the Logic app, so you can see the Logic app's designer, and you can see the available triggers and available templates. You can start from a blank Logic app, or else you can use these available templates and configure these connectors. So if as an example, if we get this one, so when a new file is created in Dropbox, if you want to copy it to OneDrive, you have to use this kind of a template, and you have to enter your credentials for the Dropbox and OneDrive. Even a non-technical person can start with a Logic app using this kind of a template. Okay, so in the next video, let's start with the our demonstration. We have to we want to process this Logic app when a new tweet is posted, so we have to start with this trigger. Okay, let's meet in the next video.